Hello and welcome. This instructional video will walk you through the unboxing process and show you the step-by-step how to pair the camera to your monitor. The box contains one parent unit, one baby unit, two power adapters, one for the parent unit and one for the baby unit, one user guide. In multi-camera packs, you will find one or more additional cameras with power adapters. On the front side of the parent unit, there is a 4.3-inch LCD display. The left of the display are the LED lights that indicate the audio level. On the right of the display, you can find buttons that can help you navigate the menu. Menu button, press it to open or close menu options. Zoom button, toggle to zoom in or out the image in 1:1 and 2:1 ratios. Navigation buttons, use them to move up, down, right or left menu options. Use OK button to confirm. Two-way talk button, press and hold to speak to your baby. Brightness button, press to adjust the LCD brightness level. On the upper side of the parent unit, there are the power, volume, diaper log, and feeding log buttons. Power button, short press to switch on when the unit is off. Long press to switch off when the unit is on. When the unit is on, short press to turn the LCD screen off. Volume button, adjust the speaker volume by pressing the plus or minus buttons. Diaper log button, press and hold to record one diaper change event. Feeding log button, press and hold to record one feeding event. On the left side of the parent unit, there is a power socket. Use only the power adapter that came with the box to charge the monitor. On the base of the parent unit is located a small reset pinhole. At the front of the camera, you can find a camera lens, light sensor, power LED indicator, and microphone. On the left side of the camera, there is a micro SD card slot. The camera supports micro SD cards up to 32 megabytes memory. On the right side of the camera, there is a privacy protection knob. Slide it to enable or disable the privacy protection mode. On the back side of the camera, you can find the antenna, speaker, pair button, and power socket. Press the menu button and the menu bar will pop up. Press the left or right buttons until the camera icon is highlighted and the scan camera, view camera, add camera, and delete camera menus will pop up. Press the up or down buttons to select the add camera icon and press the OK button to confirm. Camera 1, 2, 3, and 4 will pop up. Press the up or down buttons to select the open camera number, one that is not marked with an asterisk. Press the OK button to start searching for a camera unit. Press and hold the pair button on the underside of the baby unit until the parent unit finds the camera, beeps, and pair OK appears on the screen. The video from the newly added camera will then appear. If you have any additional questions, please visit chillaxcare.com for further assistance, FAQs, and more. Thank you for watching our step-by-step tutorial.